Good afternoon. This is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here in the lounge at Godfather's, where tonight they will have a turkey crawl that starts at 7 p.m. with a live performance from Jukebox Revolver. They will be open before 7 and the music starts. From 5 until 8 p.m. they will have buffet and $2 bowling. The buffet is just to our left, and bowling will be straight ahead of us here at Striker's Bowling Alley and Godfather's Pizza. This is not the only option for turkey crawling tonight on Thanksgiving Eve. At Double Vision, they will have their own turkey crawl with DJ Roy G, and in downtown Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, they too will have a turkey crawl featuring live music with Ponder. Thursday, November 23rd is Thanksgiving, and we wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. On Friday, the 6th annual Junior Jam at Rockingham Dragway will start. The first of the 3-day racing for juniors that will come from across the country to compete at Rockingham Dragway. You can find out more information about this event on the Rockingham Dragway website and also Facebook and Instagram. Friday night, live music returns. Jonathan Robinson will be performing in Hamlet at Axe to Grind. In Rockingham at Hudson Brothers, they will have Mother Rain performing, and Tyler Watts will open up for their show. At Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and also downtown Rockingham at Hippy, Dippy Marketplace, they will have their Gnome book club at 6 p.m. On Monday, the 27th, Hamlet will have their Christmas tree lighting. This will be in Main Street Park in downtown Hamlet across from the depot. It's at 5:30, and they have other activities planned after the tree lighting. Make sure to visit Hamlet NC on Facebook for more details. On Tuesday, the City of Rockingham will light their tree beside Rockingham City Hall. This event is also on Facebook, and you can see more details about the special guests and times for both events. Look up the City of Rockingham on Facebook. On Thursday, the Forever Tree will be lit at Richmond County Hospice off US Highway 1, and Design with Wine returns to Richmond Community College. On Friday, December 1st, Ellerby will light their Christmas tree and have Hometown Christmas. You can see this event and more details for both the Forever Tree and for Ellerby Hometown Christmas on Facebook. And on Saturday, December 2nd, the return of Christmas on the Square will fill downtown Rockingham. After a full day of vendors and fun and Santa in downtown Rockingham, there will be a Grinch movie showing in the old Food King parking lot. For more information on all of these events, you can see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Subscribe to our blog so you receive our newsletters every Monday with all of the events. And follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We hope to see you around town this Thanksgiving holiday. If not, we hope to see you at all the Christmas fun we have coming up. We'll definitely see you next week.